This is the hair doctor again. It's been a long time. Anyway, I'm back and I want to thank everybody for all of my emails that I've received. And a lot of your emails were about damaged hair. It's a great subject because even I have damaged hair. Damaged hair is caused by elements, mostly from chemical treatments, straighteners, bleaches, coloring your hair over. Color. Don't do that, okay? When you're going to color your hair, color only the line of demarcation. Do not pull that color through unless you're actually going to darken your hair. What's going to happen is half of the time on top of the head with the heat zone, this is called your line of demarcation, is where this spot is where you see your roots, okay? Line of demarcation. Once you get to that line, stop. Do not pull that color through. The minute you get done with that color, time it for 25 minutes. Most color takes about 45 minutes. Then in the meantime, you're going to go over and you're going to take that bottle of color and you're going to go and take a clear shampoo, not a colored shampoo, people, because it's going to put some color and pigment into the color. Okay? So you're going to take some shampoo and we're going to shampoo pack is what we're going to do. You're going to add some shampoo in there, half and half. Half color, half shampoo. Shake that up. 25 minutes into that color, you're going to take your hair and wet it just a tiny bit, not a lot, okay? Maybe just add a little bit of water to make it a little liquidy. That's what I want you to do. Forget about wetting your hair, because I know a lot of you are going to drench your hair and it'll ruin this whole process. So once you get that done, and you go ahead and get that shampoo mixed, which is a little water to make it a little looser, okay? You're going to shampoo it all through the hair, 25 minutes. Time yourself, people. Do not take it any longer or any less, or it won't work. You're going to shampoo cap your hair for 15 more. That's going to be 40 minutes. Then you're going to take the piece of hair that you've done that shampoo cap with. You're going to take a towel and you're going to rub it dry. Go to where there's a lot of light. Put it right up to the root area. Make sure that both of those colors match. If they don't, I bet you thought about throwing away that color. Don't do it. Keep it in that bottle. Keep a little bit in case you need to put it back on this piece of hair. Because then you'll want to put more color or just rub it through like this to get that shampoo cap color, it's called, into that hair to go another 5 minutes. And then after that, I want you to check your hair every 5 minutes. Otherwise, this stuff's going to pull dark, very dark. So 15 minutes shampoo cap. Check the root area with the bottom of the hair. If it matches, get over to the shampoo bowl or get over to that sink and shampoo it out. Now you're wondering how to shampoo your hair at your sink? Great idea. Grab one of those little, next time you're at the beauty supply store, grab one of those rubber things you hook onto your faucet. Great idea, people. Now, going back, now you have hair that's processed. Okay, now after that, you're going to use the Joico K-Pack. I mentioned this in my other videos. Joico K-Pack. Joico, you're going to love me, okay? Joico K-Pack is where it's at, okay? Don't let anybody talk you in that store. You're going to go to a beauty salon and they're going to say, oh, you need this, or oh, you need that, and oh, if you don't have the whole treatment, you're not going to get what it's meant for. You just put your hands up and say, don't talk to me, I talked to the hair doctor. She told me I don't need anything else, spend all kinds of money here. They'll want you to block out spending $100 and you only have to spend $16 for that tube of K-Pack. K-Pack Reconstructor. Write it down. K-Pack Reconstructor. What it's going to do is when you put color in your hair, here's your color strand, or here's your strand of hair right here. You stick the color in there and it explodes the strand of hair like a tree. So all of a sudden you've got a grenade in a tree trunk and poof, there it goes. And that's your hair. So your bonds are completely broken. Each cuticle of hair has bonds that are built around each piece of hair. And the baby is crying, but that's okay. That's my beautiful grandson. Real quick, we're almost finished. We didn't attend to that baby. Anyway, once you break those bonds, what do you have to do? You have to repair the bonds. So you want to reconstruct. Everything in K-Pack is going to reconstruct. Here's the trick, people. Not 5 minutes. What's something going to do in 5 minutes? Nothing. What's something going to do in 15 minutes? Nothing. 24 hours. Leave it in your hair 24 hours. Towel dry your hair. Shampoo, condition, towel dry. Whatever length your hair is, my length, a quarter size. This length, a nickel size. Shorter hair, a dime size. You're going to pay a lot of money, and you're going to waste it if you use a lot. Remember, quarter size, nickel size, and dime size, okay? Make sure you emulsify it like this. Put it upside down so that you get the front of the hair first, okay? Once you get the front of the hair, that's the most processed. Underneath, you work it through all the hair. This is the K-Pack. You brush it through. You take all your hair, bind it all up here, because this people right here on your head is called a heat zone. You don't need the microwave towel. You don't need the cap. You don't need nothing. Little son, get out in the sun. Let that hair come back down. Let that sun heat up that K-Pack. Go to the beach. Go to the lake. Sit outside on your front lawn. I know it's going to be winter for some people. It might be hard. You could ski with it on. Anyway, what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and leave that on for 24 hours, okay? If you want to go to the store, tie your hair back up. Make sure you have a nice tight claw in there to make sure that hair is nice and tight into that heat zone. That's where that heat's going to connect and ride right through the rest of the hair for that 24 hours. When it's bedtime, scrunchie upside down. Make sure that's all tight right in there. Have a great night's sleep with it in. 24 hours. Leave the K-Pack in. Once a week for 4 weeks. Back off a little bit. Oh, how do you get it out of your hair? Shampoo, condition is regular after 24 hours. Nothing special, no big deal. After that, you're going to do it. You're going to start to feel your hair change within that month. So you're going to back up. That's an expensive product, right? But you're going to know that product is going to work because you're going to feel your hair. And I'll guarantee you after, let's say you use it for 3 months in a row. So you've got you do it once a week for 4 weeks. Then you do it once every 2 weeks. Okay, then you do it once every month. So after 3 months, you're only doing this conditioning once a month. If you're like me and you double treat your hair, you're going to double that kind of a program, okay? Gotta go. Kids are going for it right now. Crazy without grandma. But thank you again, and did you get your flu shot today? Love you all, and I'll see you later, and God bless you. Kids are knocking at the door. Have a great day.